Hello students. Today in this practical session, we are going to discuss and demonstrate also experiment number 7. So what is there in this experiment number 7? That is mainly the study of bean seed. So in our last practical session, we had already completed the study of maize grain, that is the monocot seed or monocotyledonous seed. Today which seed we are going to study, that is the bean seed, which is a dicotyledonous seed, contains 2 cotyledons. So like every experiment, in this experiment also, in your notebook you have to write these points. Aim, that is the study of specimens of germinating bean seed, that is the dicot seed. Requirements, procedure, observation and inference. So aim already I have told you what you have to write. Now the requirements: specimen of bean seeds, petri dish, glass slide, watch glass, hand lens and dissecting needle. Now procedure. When we are going to study the structure of any of the seed, first and foremost step is to soak some seed in water for at least 24 hours. So here also we have to soak some bean seeds in water for 24 hours. Then first we are going to study the bean seed externally. By seeing that, you have to draw the diagram and you have to note the characteristic features. Then we will remove the outermost seed coat, that is the testa, and then we will study the internal structure of bean seed, each and every part properly, and by seeing that you have to draw the external and internal structures both in your notebook, properly labeled structures. Now procedure already I have told you what things you have to write. In your book also you will get all the points are written in your book very neatly. Now the observation, that is also the diagrams or the labeled structures of external and internal structures of the bean seeds. So here in this slide you can see the external structure and internal structure of the bean seed. So first, this one is the external structure. What part you have to notice carefully, you can see here. First is the hilum, then micropyle, then seed coat. Seed coat, you know that that is the outermost covering. One thing I have to tell you, that bean seed structure actually one side it is concave and one side it is convex. So outermost covering, that is the seed coat. Micropyle, a small opening or gap through which water enters into the seed, that is required for the germination, a small pore or opening. And hilum, this is a scar like mark. you can see in the seed I am showing you just now. Now if I am going to talk about the internal structure, if you will remove the tester outer coat of the bean seed, you will see that two cotyledons, two parts. The seed will be divided into two equal halves. What are the parts of these halves? First, main part is the cotyledon. You know what is cotyledon? Cotyledon is the part where the nutritious foods are stored, that is helpful for the germination or the growth of the embryo. Now you can see here that is the radical part and the plumule part. This is the full embryo. Lowermost part is the radical and uppermost part is the plumule. Now I am going to show you practically the structure, external and internal structures of the bean seeds. Two more things I am going to tell you. Epicotyle and hypocotyle part. Epicotyle part, that is close to the plumule, and hypocotyle part, that is close to the radical. Student, this is the external structure of the bean seed. Here you can see properly. This one, lowermost part, here you can see small gap or opening, that is the micropyle. See here this part. And this part is the hilum part, this one. This is the hilum part full, and this is the micropyle, small opening. You can see here small opening, this one. And this is the hilum, and this glossy covering is the seed coat. You can see here glossy covering, that is the seed coat. Now I am going to show you the internal structure. Okay, so if I will remove that outermost seed coat, this one, so you will get this structure. Okay, so this structure you see very clearly. You can see this white colored part, that is the radical coming out from the seed, this one, radical part. Now the seed is easily separated into two parts, that is the two cotyledons. You can see I am separating. Okay, inside the seed clearly you can see the plumule part and the radical part, and the full main seed is composed of cotyledon. The white colored part is plumule, and inside you can see the this one. This one is the plumule part, this one is the radical part, this one. See, so from this part the future shoot will form, from this part future root will form. Okay students, so today we have discussed the internal and external structure of the bean seed. From the structures, from seeing the structures, you have to draw the label diagram in your notebook, and you have to write down all the aim, procedure, requirement, these all things in the line pages. Bye and have a nice day.